The rise of a superpower, how the USA became #1. 30. Brief overview of the USA's current global status. Hook. But have you ever wondered how the USA became the world's leading nation? Let's take a journey through history and find out. Segment 1. Early years, 1776-1860. American Revolution and independence from Britain. Westward expansion and manifest destiny. Industrialization and economic growth. Segment 2. Civil War and Reconstruction, 1861-1877. The Civil War and abolition of slavery. Reconstruction and the rise of the US as a global power. Segment 3. Industrialization and imperialism, 1878-1914. Industrialization and technological advancements. Expansionism and the Spanish-American War. The US emerges as a global economic and military power. Segment 4. World Wars and the Cold War, 1915-1991. And the US's rise to global prominence. World War II and the US's leadership role in the Allied victory. The Cold War and the US-Soviet rivalry. Segment 5. Modern era, 1992-present. The US's role in globalization and international relations. The war on terror and military interventions. The US's continued economic and cultural dominance. Conclusion. Recap of the key events and factors that contributed to the USA's rise to #1. Final thoughts. The USA's journey to becoming the world's leading nation is a complex and multifaceted one, shaped by its history, politics, economy and culture. As we move forward in an increasingly interconnected world, it's important to understand how the USA's rise to power has impacted the global landscape.